Vermeer SC1052. The Vermeer SC1052 is a heavy-duty stump cutter designed for use in the forestry, landscape, and tree service industries. It is one of Vermeer's largest stump cutters, designed to handle large diameter stumps quickly and efficiently. The vehicle is equipped with a Caterpillar C4 for diesel engine with a capacity of 115 horsepower, helping to cut stumps quickly, even with hardwoods such as oak, redwood, or acacia. Vermeer's exclusive yellow jacket blade system. Optimized design helps increase cutter life and reduce maintenance costs. Equipped with remote control for increased safety and ease of operation. Smart control panel helps monitor machine status. Rubber track system helps the machine move easily on rough terrain. Replacement parts are easy to find and are well supported by Vermeer, making maintenance easy. Case 1650L. Case 1650L is a medium-duty crawler dozer manufactured by Case Construction Equipment. This is a powerful, durable machine suitable for land leveling, road construction, mining, and construction. Equipped with FPT Industrial 6.7L engine that meets Tier for final emission standards, with a capacity of about 150 to 160 horsepower. The SCR Selective Catalytic Reduction System helps optimize fuel without EGR, reducing engine wear. Hydrostatic gearbox helps control speed smoothly and flexibly. Provides stronger torque, helping the machine operate well even in muddy or hard ground conditions. Power Angle Tilt Dozer Blade helps adjust the tilt angle easily. Electronic Control Lever helps operate more precisely and reduces operator fatigue. Closed cabin, air-conditioned, pneumatic seat suspension system helps reduce vibration. GPS support suitable for projects requiring precise leveling. Ropa Moz 6. Ropa Moz 6 is one of the most advanced sugar beet loaders on the market, manufactured by Ropa, Germany. This is an improved version of the Moz series, designed to increase productivity, reduce material loss, and improve operating efficiency. Equipped with a Mercedes-Benz UNimog 473LA engine, 15.6L capacity, 571 horsepower. Selective catalytic reduction technology helps save fuel and to reduce emissions. The 15-meter-long conveyor belt can rotate flexibly from 9 to 15 meters, making it easy to load beets onto trucks without having to move much. The 18-roller cleaning system optimizes the process of removing soil and impurities. Spacious cabin with Ropa Isobis touchscreen integrated central control system. 360 surveillance camera helps to monitor the working process better. Automatic mode helps reduce operator operations, optimizing performance. Bauer RG16T. Bauer RG16T is a pile driver and drilling rig in the RG series of Bauer Maschinen GmbH, Germany. This is a mobile, powerful, and versatile machine, often used in foundation construction, especially in large projects such as high-rise buildings, bridges, and ports. Operating weight about 50 to 60 tons. Equipped with a high-performance diesel engine, capacity about 300-350 horsepower. Advanced hydraulic system, providing strong torque and pile pressing force. Pile driving depth up to 16 meters. Pile pressing force, about 16 tons of force, suitable for many types of terrain. More compact than the large Bauer RG series, easy to transport to the construction site. Crawler system helps the machine move stably on weak ground. Automatic control system helps optimize pile pressing force and reduce unnecessary vibration. Modern cabin with control screen, camera monitoring work area. Unimog U530. Unimog U530 is one of the most powerful multi-purpose trucks of Mercedes-Benz, belonging to the Unimog U500 series. This is a heavy-duty, flexible vehicle that can operate in many harsh conditions, from agriculture, construction, rescue, to military. Equipped with Mercedes-Benz own 936LA engine, 7.7L capacity, 6 cylinders, 300 horsepower, 1,200 Newton-meters torque. Meets Euro 6 emission standards, helping to save fuel and reduce pollution. 8-speed automatic transmission helps to shift gears smoothly. Full-time 4-wheel drive system with 3-mode differential lock helps the vehicle overcome terrain well. Independent suspension system and flexible torsion frame helps the vehicle grip the road better on complex terrain. PTO system can be connected to many working equipment such as plows, harvesters in agriculture, cranes, excavators, road sweepers in construction, fire pumps, military equipment, or rescue vehicles. Air-conditioned cabin, air suspension seat, central control screen, increased driver comfort. Pneumatic brake system, traction control, hill start assist, increased safety. Delta Track Tractor. Delta Track is a line of track tractors manufactured by Versatile, famous for its strong traction, high durability, and optimal performance on all types of terrain, especially soft or muddy soil. This line of machines is designed to serve large-scale agriculture, helping to optimize the plowing and pulling of heavy equipment. Using Cummins X15 engine, capacity from 520-620 horsepower. Selective catalytic reduction system helps save fuel and reduce emissions. Camso Durager 3,500 or 6,500 crawlers reduce pressure on the ground, helping to operate better on soft soil. Independent 4-axle chassis helps to distribute force evenly, increase traction, and reduce vibration. 16-speed power shift gearbox helps to shift gears smoothly, optimize traction. Maximum speed up to 35 kilometers per hour helps to move between fields faster. Ultra-steer cabin spacious with air seat adjustable to the driver's weight. 12-inch touchscreen, integrated GPS, auto steering, productivity measurement support. Hydraulic seat and cabin suspension system helps reduce vibration during operation. Can pull plows, row cutters, seeders, sprayers. Suitable for large farms, complex terrain, and harsh weather conditions. Bobcat S510. Bobcat S510 is a skid-steer loader in Bobcat's S-Series, featuring compact size, flexible operation, and strong lifting capacity. This is a popular choice for construction, agriculture, gardening, landscaping, and warehousing. Equipped with Bobcat D2 for engine, 49 horsepower. Meets tier for final emission standards, no DPF filter required, reducing maintenance costs. Rated lifting capacity, 860 kilograms, maximum lifting height up to 0.9 meters, suitable for dumping materials onto trucks. Radial lift lifting mechanism, optimized for jobs requiring longer horizontal reach. Skid steer system helps turn around in tight spaces. Can be equipped with joystick control for more precise operation. Closed cabin, air-conditioned, air suspension seat helps reduce vibration, increase comfort. Width of only 1.6 meters, easy to move through narrow aisles. Weight about 2.8 tons, can be transported by small trailer. can be connected with more than 40 types of accessories, including bucket, drill, wood clamp, concrete sprayer, gross rake.
Liebherr LTM 1650. Designed by Liebherr, a leading manufacturer of construction and lifting equipment. It is designed for heavy lifting, with a maximum lifting capacity of approximately 700 tons. It is capable of handling extremely large loads, making it suitable for large-scale construction projects, including the installation of wind turbines, bridges, and other heavy structures.
Airport fire truck. Airport fire trucks, also known as aircraft rescue and firefighting vehicles (ARFF), are specialized fire trucks designed to handle emergencies at airports. ARFF vehicles are built to quickly reach incidents at major airports. They are equipped with powerful engines and off-road capabilities. Large tank capacity carries water, firefighting foam, and other fire extinguishing agents to effectively extinguish fires. It can spray water or foam under the vehicle to protect the vehicle when operating near high temperatures. ARFF vehicles usually have nozzles, hoses, and rapid intervention tools to quickly handle firefighting or rescue operations. Therefore, it is widely used in airports around the world.
Cat 45. The D45 underground mining truck is a powerful and high-powered vehicle designed for underground mining operations. Manufactured by Caterpillar, the AD45 typically has a payload capacity of around 45 tons and is powered by a Caterpillar C18 engine, providing high power.
Clambunk skidder. The clambunk is a forestry vehicle designed for efficient logging. It combines the functions of a traditional log hauler with a clamping mechanism that allows for the transport of larger quantities of logs in one trip. Located at the rear of the vehicle, the log compartment includes large hydraulic arms that secure the logs in place. This mechanism allows the machine to safely transport multiple logs, increasing productivity compared to a traditional cable tractor or grab tractor. The vehicle is equipped with a powerful diesel engine to operate on rough terrain, handling heavy loads and steep slopes. The good traction layer system has excellent handling in dense forests and rugged terrain. Popular manufacturers are Tigercat, John Deere, and Caterpillar.
Commando DC300. Commando DC300 is a self-propelled crawler drill manufactured by Sandvik. With an easy-to-move crawler system, Commando DC300 is equipped with an intelligent control system with a color touchscreen and can be controlled remotely, making it easy for operators to use and improve work efficiency. Panther T14R. The Panther T14R is a specialist track transporter, renowned for its versatility, strength, and ability to navigate difficult terrain. The dumper can rotate 360 degrees. This allows the operator to unload material in any direction without realigning the vehicle, improving efficiency and reducing the need to work in tight spaces.
Armored truck. An armored truck is a reinforced vehicle designed to securely transport valuable goods, currency, or sensitive items while protecting against theft, attack, or accidents. Constructed of bulletproof steel or other composite materials to resist bullets and explosives. Bulletproof glass for windows, often laminated for added strength. Secure cargo compartment equipped with steel safes or locked compartments for storing valuables with multi-layered security mechanisms. Including electronic locks and alarms. Tires are often puncture-resistant or equipped with anti-flat linings, allowing the vehicle to move even if damaged. Advanced security systems include surveillance cameras, GPS tracking systems, and communication systems to track and monitor vehicles in real time. Silent alarms in case of emergency, allowing communication with law enforcement. These vehicles are commonly used by banks, financial institutions, law enforcement agencies, and logistics companies.
Berkey Waterway cleaning machine. Specialized equipment designed to manage and maintain the cleanliness of water bodies, such as rivers, lakes, and canals. It is used to remove rubbish, plants, and pollutants from waterways, ensuring they remain clean, movable, and protecting aquatic ecosystems. Berkey is equipped with powerful suction and dredging systems to handle a wide range of rubbish, aquatic plants, and sludge. It can clean both shallow and deep water areas. Tadano G R 1600 XL. The Tadano GR 160 XL is a popular all-terrain crane from Tadano. The crane is equipped with a main boom that can extend up to 61 meters and has a maximum lifting capacity of up to 160 tons, making it capable of handling heavy loads in environments such as construction sites and large infrastructure projects. Kobelco demolition machine. Specially designed for demolition work, providing greater stability, strength, and durability. It is equipped to handle the pressures of structural demolition. Equipped with a powerful motor, providing high power, it has a long arm, which is ideal for reaching higher points in buildings or structures that need to be demolished.
Cat 20 for motor grader.
The Cat 20 for motor grader is one of Caterpillar's top heavy-duty graders. The Cat 24 is equipped with a powerful C27 engine with a capacity of up to 677 horsepower. The machine has a 7.3 meter wide grader blade, helping to cover a larger area in just one move, thereby increasing grading efficiency and reducing working time. Doosan Da40. Doosan Da40 is a heavy-duty articulated dump truck. The vehicle is equipped with a Scania DC-13 diesel engine with a maximum capacity of 500 horsepower and has a maximum payload of up to 40 tons, helping it transport large volumes of materials on each work trip. Cat 973. A crawler loader manufactured by Caterpillar, one of the leading companies in heavy machinery. It is designed for a variety of applications, from material handling to site preparation and construction. The Cat 973 has a wide range of features that make it a must-have machine in many industries. Liebherr LTM 1450. The Liebherr LTM 1450 to 8.1 is one of the most powerful and modern mobile cranes in the world. The main boom of the LTM 1450 to 8.1 can be extended up to 85 meters. Combined with the optional auxiliary boom, the crane can reach a maximum working height of up to 131 meters, along with a powerful engine with a maximum lifting capacity of up to 450 tons, making it a powerful tool for large projects requiring the lifting of heavy structures and industrial equipment. Sicma F3140. Manufactured by Sicma, a well-known brand in the field of agricultural equipment, this machine is designed to meet the needs of mowing, collecting garbage, and cleaning large areas. The machine is equipped with a collection system, which makes harvesting and removing them easy. The collection bin has a large capacity, minimizing the time to stop to empty the garbage.
Bye.